Hello everyone! Today I'd like to introduce Sichuan cold chicken. This is a delicious and popular dish originating from the Sichuan province in China. It is known for its bold flavors, spicy kick, and a refreshing taste. This dish combines tender, poached chicken with a mouth-watering sauce that includes various spices and seasonings. It is enjoyed year-round, but is particularly popular during the summer months due to its cooling properties and invigorating taste, and is often served as an appetizer or as a part of a larger spread in Chinese cuisine. But definitely an ideal salad dish for summer or warm days. Its refreshing and zesty flavors, combined with the coolness of the chicken and sliced vegetables, make it a perfect choice for those hot weather cravings. You may use either boneless chicken leg or chicken thigh or chicken breasts for this dish. And today I'm going to use 2 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. First, add enough water in the pot and a 1/4 cup of shaoxing cooking wine, 2 teaspoons of salt. I used about 6 cups of water here. And add all spices in the water as well. We're going to poach chicken on medium heat for about 15 minutes. Make sure all chicken meat submerged in the water and poach chicken without cover. While chicken is poaching, we're going to get sauce ball ready. In the bowl, we'll add 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame paste, 1 tablespoon black vinegar, 4 to 5 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sesame oil, 1 tablespoon white pepper, 1 to 2 tablespoons toasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon chicken bouillon, 3 to 4 tablespoons chili oil, 2 to 4 tablespoons minced scallions, and 3 to 5 tablespoons garlic water. To make garlic water, simply use desired amount of garlic cloves. Peel off the skin, then use a knife, smash them, roughly mince them to small pieces. Add all minced garlics into a bowl, add 1/2 cup or 1 cup of water. Let the minced garlic soak in the water for minimum 10 minutes. Longer you soak in the water, stronger the flavor is. You may also use garlic water for noodles, salad, or any other dishes that you like to add a little bit of garlic flavor. After all the spices in, give a really good mix. Then we're going to add garlic and garlic water. Here's my pre-soaked garlic water for about 15-20 minutes. I have about 6 garlic cloves in here. I'm going to add all of them in sauce bowl. Give a good mix again and set on the side. I'll also add sliced vegetables like a cucumber, carrots, and bell peppers to the cold chicken today. Adding those vegetables not only enhance the visual appeal, but also contribute to the overall taste and texture of the dish. And cucumber is a must-have for cold chicken. I'll also add some salted peanuts. You may also use roasted peanuts as well, but just make sure to crush the peanuts to smaller pieces. This way, peanuts will also coat it with all the spices flavor. After poached chicken for 15 minutes, turn off the stove, soak the chicken in the pot for an additional 10 minutes. This allows the chicken to absorb more flavors from the broth. Then transfer chicken into ice water and let it soak for about 5 minutes. The ice water will quickly cool down the chicken, helping to retain its tenderness and juiciness, as well as helps to firm up the chicken slightly, make it easier to shred or pull apart. After soaked in ice water for at least 5 minutes, then hand shred chicken, pull the meat apart into bite-sized pieces. Discard the fat or skin based on your own preference. After shredding, add crushed peanuts first. Then we'll add a portion or half of a sauce. Give a good mix, combine peanuts, sauce, and chicken well together first. I like to use hands to mix them to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed. And lastly, we'll add chilled vegetables and the remaining sauce in and give a good mix. By the way, make sure to leave sliced vegetables in the refrigerator until we're ready to mix them. This will help maintain their crispiness and freshness. Toss the ingredients gently to coat them with the sauce, ensuring that everything is well combined. There you have it, a flavorful and vibrant cold chicken salad with a delightful combination of textures and flavors. With every bite, you will experience the tantalizing spiciness, the cooling crunch of vegetables, and the tender juiciness of the chicken. It's a perfect dish to savor on warm days and a testament to rich and dynamic flavors of a Sichuan cuisine that can be enjoyed with every refreshing mouthful. Bon appetit, guys! If you like my video and recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Until next time, cheers!